Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today's video is a haul video because that's the only videos I seem to get views now.
20 more minutes into it. 20 more minutes into it.
It's collective like my last haul video was, but like more collective because I realized I didn't show stuff from like October that I bought and like birthday stuff that I got. So kind of going back to October and then showing Christmas stuff and then showing stuff that I recently bought. And I have more stuff on the way, so that just means more hauls because I have a shopping addiction. But anyways, I guess I'll just show like non-clothing items and I'll finish the video with clothing items. So the first thing I want to show y'all from Christmas is this Squishmallow. I'm trying to make sure it's in the camera. This is the 14-inch Nemo Squishmallow. Literally sleep with it like every night. Love him. He's so cute. Look at his flippers. Oh, another gift that I really liked was my Lululemon belt bag. I think it's the, God, what is this called? It's the Everywhere belt bag. And yeah, it has like a pocket in the back, pockets in the like main zippered area, and it's really nice. I wore it over my body like this in Houston. Okay, so makeup wise, I got a good bit of stuff from my friend Christy because she's crazy. Got the NARS blush in the shade Orgasm, you know, the classic popular blush. I've known this blush for like ever because my mom had it, and growing up I used to be like, oh my god, Orgasm, like what the heck, that's so scandalous. She got me this Kylie brow gel in clear, and I told her I don't have eyebrows, but you know, I'll use this with whatever hairs I do have. And she also got me a Kylie high gloss in clear. It looks like this. It's called clear, but it's like has a pink tint to it. I don't know, I haven't worn it yet, so. But because she felt bad about the clear brow gel, she went back to Rare Beauty and got me the Brow Harmony Shape and Fill Duo. So it has two colors. It has brown and black. And it's really cute. It's like this. And you open it up and it has the two shades. Let me cover my camera. I feel like a beauty guru. And then the brush comes out the side like a fucking DS stylus. And then also from Rare Beauty, she got me this Soft Pinch Matte Liquid Blush. And it looks like this. It's really big. Really cool. I need to start using blush more. She got me the Dior Lip Glow Oil in the shade Coral, so number 4. And I've actually used it several times. I didn't realize that this was like viral on TikTok and stuff until my sister brought it up. And then she got me the Dior Maximizer 3D Mascara Primer. I've already used it several times, so it's already in my makeup drawer and I don't feel like digging it out, but I kept the box, so. And then she got me 2 little pins. I'm probably gonna put these on my tote bag. And then she got me this patch that says Boo. And my birthday's on Halloween, so it's kind of just like cute. I'm gonna put on a sweatshirt. I'll probably like iron it down on the center of a really like oversized crew neck and call it a day. And then we did like a white elephant party, and I stole my own gift back because I actually really liked my gift. So in my gift was a calming hemp mask sheet, and I haven't used it yet, but obviously I will eventually for a little pamper day. Maybe I'll even use it tonight. I don't know. I got a cherry little like headband print, whatever, from Ulta. This is all from Ulta, by the way. I actually bought it for myself, so I bought one for myself and one for the white elephant thing, so I just gave the other one to Christy. But now we have matching ones because obviously I didn't need 2 of the same thing. I got the Morphe Truth or Bear Artistry palette, and I just kept the box. But that palette is in my already. I'll just pop up a picture from Google to show y'all like the colors if y'all are really interested in that. Oh, Christy also got me this bear sticker. It's huge. So more stuff for Christmas. I got a pair of earrings from my aunt. It's just these Huggies. It's a star, like starburst shape and a moon, and they're gold. So I need more gold, like simple earrings, because all of my gold earrings are like statement, like huge earrings. Speaking of gold jewelry, this is definitely a statement piece. My parents got me this Louis Vuitton choker. Oh, it's backwards. Ta-da, she's cute. So the next thing I want to show y'all are these Converse. They're obviously very dirty. I wear these to work and just out and about. So the black platform Converse. And I just bought them for myself for fun. And now that I'm holding them up, I can see how fucking disgusting they are. Also for my birthday for Halloween, I ended up getting these like Shein like go-go boots. And I wore them like 2 or 3 times now. They've gone to the bar. They've survived me walking from the bar like a shit ton of walking, so. But I just wanted to show y'all that Shein shoes maybe aren't that bad, you know? So I think now we can move on to clothes. There's a lot of clothes. So I got this like super popular top or whatever. It's like a halter, but you cross it, so your like boobs kind of like peek out or whatever. I can't really describe it. I don't think I have a picture of me trying it on. I also ordered 2 different dresses for my birthday because I didn't know what dress I wanted to wear for my birthday dinner. So I got the dress version of that top, basically. So crisscrosses, scrunches on one side, sexy or whatever. And then I got this red dress, which is the one I ended up wearing for my birthday. It has like little cutouts and it's like scrunchy all down the whole thing and scrunchy down like the butt, so it makes your booty look good. And then ties, both from Shein. I'm gonna continue on the Shein train because there's a lot of Shein shit in here. I got this brown long sleeve, just like basic. It's really soft, it's cropped, and I've worn it several times. Love it, love it. Next thing is this top that has like cutouts like right here, and then you like button this, so there's a cutout in the front too. It's kind of thin, but it's Shein, whatever. And I bought a lot of black clothes like right before I dyed my hair back to like dark brown black, so now my hair is gonna just blend in with everything, but it's okay. This is a romper that I wore for Christmas, or not romper, a jumpsuit, which you're like, a jumpsuit from Shein, what the fuck? Yeah, I know, it's different. It's like a little sheen to it. It's obviously like a little cowboy neck drape in the front. The straps aren't adjustable or anything, so that kind of sucked because I don't really have anything going on in the top, so it's kind of hard to like make sure I wasn't like flashing people because you can't really wear a bra with this. Oh, also it's pretty thin, so I couldn't even wear like a thong with it because you could literally see the thong through it. So I wore like white cotton like undershorts underneath, and that did the trick. So just warning y'all. Next thing is this exercise top or whatever. It has a little cutout right here. You know me, my cutouts. I just love them apparently. And then it has thumb holes, and it's really soft. It's not like your standard like athletic material or spandex like at all. It's definitely like comfy, and I wore this in Disney, and I worn it to work out, and it works both ways. Ooh, this next top is shit. Just this top that like crisscrosses in the back, so the front is like keyhole, and then there's like mesh, and it actually had sleeves on it, but there's like this is like a dupe of an IMG top or something, I think. So a version without sleeves and a version with sleeves. This version had the sleeves, so I cut them off so that I could decide to wear the sleeves or not decide to wear the sleeves if I didn't feel like it, or if it was too hot or something. So it's versatile. So the next top I got was actually in a medium. Everything else has been in like extra small or small, but this I got in a medium because I was like, I really wanted the top and it was sold out. So I was like, it's Shein, it'll probably shrink. And there's already a string hanging off of it, and I've only washed it once. I haven't even worn it yet, so that's cute. So there's like cutouts, and you like tie it around your waist, and there's a cutout right here, and there's a twist, and there's a cutout right here. A lot of cutouts. So I have this one shoulder brown dress. Shocker that it's brown. I also realized that holding it up that it's inside out, but it's scrunched on both sides. The strings are really long, so I trimmed them. And you can wear the one shoulder on either side, and it really cinches you in, makes you look good snatched. This top, it's like brown and like orange with like a little ring on the front. She was really cute. I wore her for New Year's Eve. I also got this a while back. This is a long sleeve brown shirt from Shein, Shaka. It's like split hem at the bottom, kind of, I guess is how you would describe it. And then it has like it has a ring, which I guess I'm really into like rings and shirts apparently. Oh my god, when did I get brown shit all over this jacket? It's like cake. Well, it's this white puffer jacket from Shein, and it was really cute. It is still really cute. It has a pocket and everything, but I got fucking chocolate on the sleeves. Last thing that is from somebody else for Christmas is this like brown Hanes jacket. It's just a regular zip up. I got it in a size large, so it's oversized, and it's really cute. Nice little staple to have. I bought myself some other things like throughout the month of December and November, I think. So I got this Lulu top for Black Friday. It's in the size 4. It's the All Yours crop tank veil style, I guess. So it's like water marble looking, and you can wear like a cute like plain sports bra underneath so you can see the pattern. Yeah, it's originally $44, but I got it on sale for cheaper. I also got this Urban Outfitters like trippy checkered like butterfly jacket. There's one right, like a big butterfly right here. It still has the tags on it. It was literally a $99 jacket. It has pockets and everything, and she's really fluffy and warm. My brother got me for Christmas. He got me this I Heart Free Drinks shirt. It's like the same style as like the I Heart New York shirts or whatever, but it's tight. It's like a baby tee, and she's cropped, and I'm definitely wearing it to the bar the next time I go. He also got me this Lemony top off of Amazon, like the workout tops with built-in padding. It's in a size medium. I have it in black and like a teal color already, so just adding to the collection. I also got this PacSun Playboy tank top and I cut it shorter. I also got these flare leggings from Hilera, but I've been debating on like keeping them or not, and they also still kind of smell weird from shipping, but they're just like a fun color. On to the last few things. We went to Houston, moved my brother out there for his internship, so we went to the Houston Galleria and did some shopping. Went to Zara and got this deep V collared brown long sleeve. Again, brown. I know, shocker. She's cute. She was like $17.90. I got them in a size. I got it in a size medium because I know when I wash it, it'll probably shrink a little bit. From Tilly's, I got 2 tops. So I got this one. Last brown item of the fucking haul. Last brown thing, okay? It's just a plain like scoop neck, really cropped top. It's a size medium large. It's $21.99. I actually tried on the small medium or something, extra small. But this kind of material for like shirts that's like slinky and like a bralette feeling kind of top, I like them to be bigger and not like squeeze me in. So yeah, and whenever I tried it on, I accidentally crisscrossed these straps and like made it like a cutout looking type of thing, if that makes sense. I'll show you the try on. And the last top I got from Tilly's was this green like flowery top, and it's like super cropped. It's practically a bra, but you know what, wear it with some high-waisted pants, leggings, and you're good to go. Like, it's fine. And then last but not least, this shirt from PacSun. It's like pre-distressed. It was a $30 shirt. It's one size only. It's the brand Golden Hour. It just says focus on the good, keep growing, stay positive. I don't even know if it's showing up in the camera frame, but it's really big, but it'll shrink because it's 100% cotton. Is it worth $30 though? Debatable, but you know, here we are. That is all for my haul. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to thumbs up and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye by the morning, girl, I gotta go. Gotta get ready, tonight is my show. If you okay.